didn't stop egg hatch.
We got some amaranthus leaves in which eggs were laid by Spodoptera litura. These eggs are very tiny, about 0.4 to 0.6 mm in size, pale green in color. These are in thousands which would hatch and become adults. So we tried to give it cold treatment. For this, we kept these eggs at 1 degree centigrade to stop their development, and thus they would not hatch. After 7 days of keeping eggs in fridge at 1 degree centigrade, we remove it from fridge and we observed that these eggs were not hatched. So now this time we remove it from fridge and then we kept these eggs at room temperature, which is favorable temperature for egg hatch. After 2 days we observed the eggs become dark grey with black head visible. Further, we kept these eggs at room temperature. After 3 days, we again checked these eggs, and these eggs finally hatched. The first instar larvae coming out from their eggshell.
So cold treatment at 1 degree Celsius for 1 week can halt egg hatch, or you can say it can halt embryonic development, but it didn't stop egg hatch. So it didn't kill the insects. Post harvest treatment is practiced to reduce potential damage to vegetables and fruits from these life stages of insect pest. So we can use cold treatment keeping in mind that it should not affect quality of vegetables and fruits. So what's the mechanism behind it? The treatment at low temperature can halt development and reduce survival of insects. And this happens because it reduces the enzymatic activity or denatures the enzymes.